In this video, I'll show you how to build a landing page with Replit Agent. First, open Replit and sign into your account. From the workspace, create a new app and open Replit Agent. Next, describe the landing page you want to build in the prompt box. Be specific about the business, headline, sections, colors, style, and main call to action. For example, you can ask Agent to create a modern landing page with a hero section, features, testimonials, pricing, and a contact button. After that, review the plan, Replit Agent creates, and let it build the application. Agent will generate the necessary files and code based on your instructions. Now, preview the website inside Replit. Check the layout, text, images, buttons, and navigation. If something needs to change, tell Agent exactly what you want updated, such as changing the colors, moving a section, or making the page mobile-friendly. Next, test the landing page on different screen sizes. Make sure the buttons and links work correctly and that the content is easy to read on both desktop and mobile devices. Finally, when you're happy with the result, use Replit's Publish option to make the landing page available online. Review the published site and test the main call to action one more time. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to build a landing page with Replit Agent. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.